Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ada here. Thank you so much for stopping by. I am so excited to be sharing with you guys this amazing collaboration with Paper House Productions and Mommy Lhey's Designs. I am on the PR team, so we were able to get these awesome planners ahead of time, and we had to keep it a secret. This was so hard for me to hold on to information that I just wanted to share with you guys. Well, this is now my chance, guys. So let's get on in. Now I have already set up one of the planners here. This one here is actually the pouch that I purchased off of Society 6. I do have a video which I will link up somewhere around here, and you guys can go straight to that video if you would like. If not, you can continue watching. Now inside this amazing pouch is my small Mommy Lhey Life Organized planner, and I also have the smaller pouch that fits inside this larger pouch with all the pens that I am using. I'm not going to go into detail with this, but I just wanted to show you guys all the goodies that can actually fit in this amazing pouch. Okay, let's put this aside, and we're gonna go into the most important details for today. This here is the small Life Organized Mommy Lhey planner. It is a 12-month undated agenda planner, which includes monthly spreads, weekly calendars, the horizontal format, some note areas, 2 pockets, and over 100 stickers. Now I have already started planning in this amazing planner. So let me push this aside and let's start off with the smaller one. As you go in, you're gonna see this is a little bit different. This here is actually a little pocket folder that I created with Mommy Lhey's personal name that she designed for me. I actually laminated this, and I created a little slip to go into the ring binder here. Isn't that just the coolest thing? Now, if you are one of the 51st customers who purchased these planners on July 15th, you will get a free customized, it's not a folder, but you could turn into a folder. I laminated this. She will make sure she puts your first name, and she will send this off with your order. Don't forget, only the first 50 people who place an order on July 15th. So make sure you set your calendar. Now what I did with my little freebie here is I actually created a folder. I laminated and just basically cut out the lining around the floral. It's basically a little fold over, so you'll get to see when you get it. So you'll get the idea of what I did here. And I added a sticker here that says Bloom and Shine, also from Mommy Lhey. This came in my Patreon membership freebies. She sent out a goodie bag for me already, so I just added that. It's all about Mommy Lhey in this planner. Oh, let me place that right inside, and I did add my notes in here. So that pocket here I have left for notes. I have already personalized my planner here with my name, and I've actually been practicing. I lettered this kind of similar to what she did here, what Lhey did here, so I'm getting the hang of things, guys. I'm so excited. Okay, so that is the beginning of my planner here. Now at the beginning of every month there is a section for priority goals and a little note section to say that says write it down. So I've already written down my priorities. I set myself a goal for the month, and that's all I filled out for this sheet here. Here is a pocket, which is one of 2 pockets that is included in this whole planner. And what I did here is I added the stickers that are included in the back of this planner. I basically tore it off. They do come with the planner, and I just cut along the sides and placed it in this pocket, which fits inside. Now this is my month of July setup. I've already went ahead and filled this out. I just basically, instead of using a whole bunch of stickers, I did a lot of my lettering in here. I set myself a little goal quote for the month. This reads, "You should set goals beyond your reach so you always have something to live for." I really adore this quote. At the bottom, I did use it as bills. She does have it set where on the top it says goals and bills at the bottom. I just added a little checklist here and checked off already what I started for the beginning of the month. And just basically wrote down important dates and important information for the weekend. And just added a little sticker here at the bottom. I kept it very simple with this monthly spread. Now as you continue, you will start with your weekly spread. Now because these are undated, you can start with the dates that you wish to start planning in. This is my favorite thing from these planners, that they're all undated. Whether I decide to plan in this smaller planner or the larger one, I could always switch off either by week or daily or whatever I feel like I am in the mood for at the time. So I love the fact that they're all undated. So this is my weekly spread. I used mostly the stickers that come in the planner. I also used some stickers that are here in the Life Organized sticker book from Mommy Lhey too as well. She has these on her website, and also they are available at Paper House Productions website, which I will make sure I leave a link to all these products. Okay, so this is what the sheets look like when they're blank. Each dashboard is beautifully illustrated by Mommy Lhey's designs, which I adore. So each dashboard is her design. This is the continuing of another month, same weekly spread. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to flip through the dashboard. I got a little surprise for you guys if you guys are still watching. At the very end, I created a folder. Look at this, guys. Now this here is something Mommy Lhey gave us at the beginning of 2009. If you guys recall, for New Year's, she was asking for us to pick a word to focus for the year. Now, my word that I picked was magical. She sent out a digital freebie for me, and I was able to download it. I printed it up and I turned it into a big sticker folder. These are all of Mommy Lhey's stickers that I'm currently using, and then some. This is not all of them, but this is the majority. I will show you how I made this. Super easy, super simple. You guys can make it at home. All right, so let's take this out, and we're gonna focus on this amazing pocket folder. So the main thing that you're gonna need is the image. The image here is, I printed it up on vellum paper. Now you could use regular printer paper if you'd like, but I used vellum paper, and the image size is a 5x7 image. So I cut this out to fit the same size of the sheet. I made sure I measured the dimensions, so I will make sure I leave it somewhere on here so you could write it down and concentrate on the length and the width of this. Okay, once I cut these two sheets out, I made sure they were placed together so they could come out the same size. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to laminate these. Okay guys, I'm back. Now, once you cut this out, you want to make sure that you leave about 1/4 of an inch on the side that you will be punching the holes for the coil. So there's 1/4 of an inch of laminating sheet here. And on this end, it's up to you how thick you want the flap to be. I basically made it about let's see, 1 inch thick. So let me show you guys how I did that. So I'm just gonna use this as a guideline. So this here is about 1 inch. So I'm gonna cut that out. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna trim off the edges, and you want to trim off the top and the bottom as close to the laminated sheet as possible without hitting the laminating, the actual vellum sheet. All right. So now this is what you're left with. You have an extra amount of laminating sheet here, and what I'm gonna do right now is pick about 1/4 of an inch, and I'm just going to put like a fold, a crease, because this is where I want to fold it in. All right. So now what we're gonna do is we are going to just basically trim and cut this on an angle on both ends. So I'm also going to cut in about 1 inch here as well. So let's measure 1 inch here. I'm using my board here as a measuring line. Another inch here. Okay, so now I am going to cut it at an angle. All you're left with, an angle pocket. All you have to do now is fold that over. Now before we fold it over, I am going to turn this, and I have it upside down, and I'm going to cut a slit in here using my X-Acto knife, and that's going to be the pocket itself. All right, so you gotta trim, you gotta do it really easy. You gotta listen for that, or feel for that crackling. It's almost a crackling sound. You don't want to put too much pressure. Okay, I'm gonna do that twice. Very easy. These X-Acto knives are really sharp. You do not want to cut through both laminating sheets. And there you go. There's the pocket. So now we're just gonna fold this over. Again, I'm using the pocket, this part of the pocket, and I'm folding it in. And there you go. So all we have to do now is add the Velcro circles, which I have here. I actually bought these and picked them up at Michael's. So I already used up one. So all you have to do is put the sticky part down. This is the Velcro part. And you're gonna take the other half, and you want to place that on the Velcro part, and then just close the pocket. Look at that. And there you go. You have an awesome pocket. Now, I'm gonna show you how I punched holes in here. Now, I am using my We Are memory keepers, which I have to thank Kim at K-Row Designs. That woman thinks of everything. So thank you so much, Kim. I went to Michael's and I picked up these punch inserts, which I already had the circle ones that I had, but I wasn't prepared for these inserts, and I am so grateful because these were perfect. So all you have to do is place it in the center and read the insert guidelines. Go check out K-Row Designs. I will leave a link to her video showing you how she used this. I'm just gonna go ahead and punch away. All right, and we are all set. We got this all punched. Let me show you how this is gonna fit so well in your new Mommy Lhey planner. Look at that. quick and easy. We now have a folder in here and it looks fabulous. Oh my goodness, I'm super excited about this. I hope you guys like this cute little project. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment box below. I really hope I have inspired you and you guys try this out. Again, I am so excited for Mommy Lhey that she came out with these amazing new Life Organized planners. We couldn't be more happy for her. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my YouTube channel. Hope you guys have a good day and happy crafting. Bye.